Over 1,800 Palestinians have been killed since Israel launched its specific genocidal campaign in northern Gaza in October. Local authorities say hundreds have also gone missing. In a statement released on Monday, Gaza's media office said the number of the injured stands at around 4,000. Since October 6, Israel has been engaged in a ground operation in northern Gaza. The regime has imposed a tightened siege there, particularly around the area of Jabalia. Israel prevents ambulances and humanitarian aid convoys from entering northern Gaza. The regime is using starvation as a method of warfare in the occupied Gaza Strip, the media office stated. Israel has prevented 3,800 aid trucks from going into northern Gaza. The regime has deliberately starved nearly 400,000 people there, including more than 100,000 children, the statement said. It also destroyed dozens of displacement and shelter centers that house tens of thousands of displaced people who fled their homes in search of safety and security. 40-plus Palestinians killed in Israeli attacks on hundreds of residential buildings in Gaza, report. Gaza's government media office says more than 40 Palestinians have been killed in Israeli attacks on hundreds of residential buildings in the northern part of the coastal sliver, all hospitals out of service. Elsewhere in the statement, the media office also said the hospitals were now out of service after coming under intense Israeli fire. All hospitals in northern Gaza were destroyed and put out of service, and civil defense crews targeted, with some of them arrested, it added. It added that civil defense teams have been hit while on service and some of them have been arrested or prevented from working. The media office appealed to the international community and UN agencies to assume their responsibilities and pressure Israel to allow the safe passage of aid and to stop the brutal crimes being committed against civilians in Gaza. The Israeli regime's genocidal war on Gaza continues to claim more civilian lives across the besieged strip, especially in the northern areas. At least 33 people have been killed and nearly 160 injured in the Israeli deadly strikes in the past day. According to the Gaza Health Ministry, the Palestinian death toll since October 7, 2023, has topped 43,370.